Hello, everyone. In this video review, we will talk about the Better Trend Advanced Binary Options Indicator. It can generate signals in three modes: when the trend changes, on a rebound, and when the trend line is broken. Each of these modes can be used separately or combined. It all depends on your strategy. Let's look at how each mode works. Look at the pros and cons of the indicator, after which we will tell you how best to use it in binary options trading. Now, a few words about how to install the Better Trend Advanced Indicator in the MetaTrader 4 terminal. The indicator itself, like our template with all the settings, is installed in a standard way, nothing complicated. You can find a link to the archive with the indicator and detailed installation instructions in the description under this video. Let's look at the operating principle and key settings of this indicator. Better Trend Advanced is an indicator for binary options that determines the moment of the beginning of a market trend with high accuracy. Thanks to this, the trader has the opportunity to open a trade in time at the very beginning of the movement. But its capabilities do not end there. The indicator also tracks rollbacks and breakouts and does this automatically. It is visible on the screen. Number 1 is the moment of the start of a new bullish trend. Number 2 is all rollbacks that occur within the current trend. Number 3 is a breakout along the trend. Such a signal appears when a candle closes above or below the local extreme, depending on the direction of movement. As you can see, signal number 3 was formed at the moment of the breakout of the local extreme, which indicates a possible continuation of the movement. Thus, the main task of Better Trend Advanced is not just to show where the market, but to prompt in time when it is worth joining the emerging trend. This indicator does not have many settings, and all of them are quite simple and clear. Here you can change the period of signal indicators, select the style and color of the display, and also enable alerts if necessary. Alerts appear as standard pop-up notifications directly in the MetaTrader 4 terminal. Convenient, especially if you do not constantly monitor the chart. Now let's look at the rules for trading binary options using this indicator. Better Trend Advanced generates signals at key moments when the trend changes, as well as after each pullback or breakout in its direction. This approach allows the trader to open several trades in the direction of the main movement while the market maintains the trend. This is why the indicator can be especially useful for those who prefer to trade with the trend and try to get the most out of each price impulse. Let's look at the operating modes of this indicator. Trend break trading. This is one of the easiest ways to work with the Better Trend Advanced indicator. All a trader needs to do is wait for the current trend to change. The indicator will immediately notify you of this via a pop-up window and mark it on the chart with the number 1. If the number appears on a blue background, it means that you can consider buying a call option at the opening of the next candle. If the background is red, then it is worth opening a put option. Thus, you will enter the market at the very beginning of a new trend without unnecessary guesswork and waiting. Trend rebound trading. As we already mentioned, Better Trend Advanced generates quite a few trading signals, and a trend change is just one of the options for its use. The main part of signals is formed in the direction of the current trend, at those moments when the market completes a correction and is ready to resume movement. This allows you to regularly enter the market in the direction of trends and not miss potential entry points. Trend breakout trading. One of the most unusual, one might even say exotic ways of working with Better Trend Advanced is breakout trading by trend. Signals of this type appear when the price breaks through a local maximum or minimum, depending on the direction of the current trend. On the chart, such a signal is designated by the number 3 and may indicate a continuation of a strong movement, especially at the moment of exiting consolidation or completing a rollback. Each trader chooses which type of signal to use depending on their strategy and preferences. In the examples below, we will focus on trend rebound signals. To improve the quality of entries, we will add a simple filter. We will buy a call option only if, after signal 2, the candle closes above the blue line of the indicator, and put options if, after signal 2, the candle closes below the red line. This approach will help to cut off weak signals and improve the overall trading performance. So, to buy call options, you need to 1. Wait for a rebound in the current bullish trend. The number 2 appears on the chart on a deep background. 2. Check that the signal candle closes above the blue line of the indicator. 3. If both conditions are met, buy the call option at the opening of the next candle. To buy put options, you need to 1. Wait for a rebound within the bearish trend. The number 2 appears on the chart on a red background. 2. Check that the signal candle closes below the red line of the indicator. 3. If both conditions are met, we buy a put option at the opening of the next candle. We recommend setting the expiration time at the level of 3 candles. This parameter can be adjusted depending on the selected asset and the results of testing on history. The main thing is to choose a transaction duration at which the indicator signals show the best results. Now a few words about the advantages and disadvantages of this indicator. The Better Trend Advanced indicator shows itself best on currency pairs and stocks. These assets often form stable trends, which are facilitated by macroeconomic factors, interest rate differentials, corporate news, quarterly reports, and other events that can be found in the economic calendar. It is also important to consider the time frame. Experienced traders do not recommend using lower intervals, since the risk of embedded signals increases on them. It is better to work with medium-term or higher time frames, so the trading efficiency will be higher. Among the advantages of the indicator are reliable and non-repainting signals, ease of visual perception, as well as built-in alerts that will help you not to miss entry, even if you are not sitting at the terminal. The indicator clearly indicates a change in trend, the end of a correction, and moments when the price is ready to continue moving. This gives the trader more confidence when making decisions. However, it is worth considering that trading signals do not appear very often. Therefore, to increase the frequency of entry, it is worth monitoring several instruments at once. Externally, Better Trend Advanced may resemble the popular health trend, but it has an important difference: signals for the continuation of the trend and not just for its change. Even if you miss the start of a new movement, the indicator will suggest entry points on rebounds or breakouts. This is especially valuable when working with binary options. In general, this tool is suitable for both experienced traders to enhance current strategies and beginners who are looking for an easy way to track trends. And remember, any strategy or indicator is just a tool that you need to learn how to use correctly. Be sure to check and test the indicator on a demo account of historical data, while not forgetting the rules of risk and capital management. And also choose only proven brokers, which you can find on our website in our regularly updated rating. If you like the video, like it, and subscribe to our channel. Register on our website and you will be constantly updated on the latest news from the field of binary options trading, cryptocurrency, and the Forex market. Thank you for your attention. We wish everyone good profit and safe trading. And so that you do not doubt the reliability of this indicator, we will demonstrate its work in real time and confirm that its signals do not repaint.